Let us start lesson 8.6, solve multiplication and division equations. Please turn to page number 451. What can you see on the screen? Is it your math book?
Yeah.
Solve multiplication and division equations, lesson 8.6. Please turn to page number 451. Write today's date there. Let me read. May ran 14 laps around a track for a total 4,200 meters. Okay. 14 laps. They did not tell you one lap has how many kilometers. So 14 lap is 14D. They already gave you in the question. And total how much? It is 4200. Now let me come to white screen. See here girls, till now, the first rule what you studied in in multiplication, in addition and subtraction, what did I teach you? I told you if it is n plus 2 equal 5, I need to find, you remember yesterday, Malak? Leen, you were...
Yeah.
Miss, today's February 11.
Yes, it's February 11. Write today's date there and see here. Here, this was what we did yesterday. You have red color and you can listen to me.
This is the lesson that will come with us in the quiz, right?
What? What here, Malak?
No. This is the lesson that will come with us in the quiz.
No, I told you already the lesson.
This lesson will come with us.
No, it will not come. Inshallah, next quiz it will be there. Quiz number 2. Okay, so n plus 2 equal 5. I told you that there are two houses, especially Leen and Ghalia, listen to me because you were not there yesterday. I have a red color house and I have a green color house. I want in the red color n to be alone. When I want n to be alone, I have to send 2 to the other side. So when I send 2 to the other side, it becomes 5 plus become minus. This was my main intention to make you know that plus will become minus when it goes to another side. This 2, when it goes to another side, this plus 2 becomes minus 2. Did you get it, Ghalia?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I'll give you one question, Ghalia. Try to solve with me.
Okay.
Plus 6 equal 9. So what should I write here? Let me change the color so that makes you know that we have a, because to understand I'm changing the colors. You have a left hand side, the left hand M, very good. M equals
6 minus 9.
no 9. Yeah, you are not
minus 6.
That's what, you're not changing the green color. You are writing the greenhouse, it is inside its house. Who is coming to the other side? 6 is coming to the other side, right? This 6 has to come to the greenhouse. So this is coming. So this plus 9 plus 6 will become minus 6. Did you see the mistake? Did you know how 9 minus 6 is? 3. So your answer is M equal 3. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, let me give you one more, Yagalia. Okay. Y minus 9 equals 4. Come on, let me tell you we have a, come on, this will make you feel easier. So of course, the number which is next to the left,
Y equals 4 minus 9.
y equals 4,
Minus 9.
the minus,
Plus 9.
yeah, this is what you have to remember. So will you able to do these questions if they are asked? Okay, you understood? Plus becomes
Yes.
minus and minus become plus. This is what we have studied last week. Now today we are starting multiplication and division. See, the first question here is 14D equal 4,200. 14D, Batin?
Yeah, miss.
See, we have 14D equals 4,000. 4,000 what? 300 or 200?
4,200.
Okay, 200. Now, what is the relation between 14 and D? Is it 14? It's not 14 plus D. It is 14D. That means 14 times D. Am I correct? 14D means 14 times D. It cannot be plus. Can it be plus or minus? No. It is 14D means it is multiplication. Now let me show you the new rule. Remember that multiplication becomes division. I will show you how. This 14 will always come down when it is coming to the other house. It was multiplication, it came, and I will write D alone with red color. I'll write with pink color 4,200 over divided by 14. The multiplication became division. This is the rule. So opposite the division becomes multiplication. Understood? Multiplication becomes division and division becomes multiplication. Now, if the same question, if I gave you as 14 plus D equal 4,200. See, be very careful, girls. Now the relation is 14 plus D. This 14 will go and become, it will become minus 14. Because it was addition, it went and become minus. If it is minus, it will go and become plus. If it is multiplication, it will come down and become division. And if it is division, it goes up and become multiplication. Did you get this?
Yeah. Yeah.
Ali, Malak, everyone?
Yeah, miss.
Of course, I need to simplify.
Yes.
14 divided by 1,200. 14, let us do 14 times 2. 48, no, 14 times 1. So it will be 8, 280. So let us do 14 times, am I wrong? Times 2 is what? 2 for the 8, 2 1 the 2. 2, 2 2 the 2 for the 8, 2 1 the 2. Sorry, girls. 14 times 3 I can take. 14 times 3. I get 14 times 3, 42. Wait a minute, let me divide again. 14 times 3 gives me 42. And of course, I have two zeros, and you know that 14 times 1 and 14 times 300. So D equals 300. Can I erase it if you have finished? See here. 1 minute. See here, girls. Write down here, we have to multiply, multiplication. And here you have to show that I will divide. Girls, this step again, Alia, Malak, Leen, Wateen. Don't get confused. We will not follow this. I never divide both the sides and I just do that division, become multiplication, multiplication. Finally, you have the same answer, right? You have the same answer, how I told you. Just copy this and I'll let you know. For checking the solution, you need to substitute D. Like, see, you got D 300. So I put D here and check. 14 times 300, is it 4,200? Yes, so that means my answer is correct. Finished?
No.
Page 451. Please complete your books. Don't keep it empty.
I'm done, miss.
Okay. Yeah. Others, did you finish?
Done.
Now I have 2 over 3n equal 1 over 4. 2 over 3n, 1 minute. See this, girls. It will go tougher and tougher. Don't panic, I'm here. 2 over 3 and equal, what did I say you? 2 over 3 and equal what?
Equals
1 over 4. 2 over 3 n equal 1 over 4. Okay, now the n loves to be alone. Now see, girls, carefully. 1 over 4 I write here. This 3 is division. It goes up and become multiplication.
multiplication.
Multiplication, it comes down and so simple, girls. Whenever you see something like that, flip and put it here and put multiplication. If you see both numerator and denominator, if you see only numerator, that will come down. Like example, if it is this way, n over 3 equal 1 over 4. So what will you do? You put n 1 over 4 multiply, 3 goes up. 3 goes up, 2 comes down. 3 goes up, multiply, and 2 comes down. That's how we do it. So let us see the answer. N equals 3 over 12. Girls, 3 over 8. Do you understand this? See here. Just write my method. Don't get panic with the other methods given here, girls. 1/4 n equal 1/4, put multiplication and flip 3 and 2. So you get your answer as 3/8. Girls, all these on both the sides will make you confused. Just write that follow this. Okay? Because if you make it on both the side, make it on both the side, that makes it tough. And write division here. Done?
Yeah.
Others? Malak, Ghalia?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
A biologist divide a water sample equally among 8 test tubes. Each test tube contains 24.5 milliliter of water. Write and solve an equation to find the volume. Okay. We have to find the volume, so let V be the volume. We have to do multiplication. See, there is some volume. They divide by 8 and each test tube contains 24.5. Simple. The volume I divide by 8 and each test tube contains how much? What is the milliliter? 24.5 milliliter. Simple. This is division. Division will go, if it is down, it goes up and becomes multiplication. Remember that, girls. When it is down, it goes up and become multiplication. Times 8. If I do 24.5 times 8, I get 36. Point before one number. 196 milliliters. The volume is 196 for 8. This was for one test tube. For 8 test tube, of course, 8 multiplied by this. But they want you to write also. That's why you must know it's V over 8 equals to 24.5. Done?
Yeah.
Wait a minute, miss.
Okay.
Done.
Wait a minute, girls. Okay, write down this. I've shown you how 196 comes here. So please solve each and everything what I'm doing on the white screen, okay? Done? Okay. We have, yes, Malak, let us start with you. We have 2.5 m equals 10. Okay, Malak, I want to make m alone. Where will 2.5 go?
2.5. First we put 10, then 2.5.
Where? Down or up?
Down.
Excellent, Yamalak. This is what I want to know. That's it. And when you solve this, you get 10 over 2.5 is 10 times 10, 25. So 5 times 5 and 5 times 2, 20, and 5 times 1 and 5 times 2, I get 4. Girls, I know the solving part. It's up to you. Simple. I write 10. 2.5 I write as 25 over 10. This flips and become 10 multiplied by 10, 25. You can just directly do 100 over 25. What is 100 divided by 25? 4. There are many ways to calculate. This is up to you. Just write the answer 4, write the division, and write 2.5. That you put 2.5 down. Because this, forget it, okay? I'm not doing this, but this you know.
Done.
Okay, finished? I'll just do one here.
Yeah.
I'll just do one here. I will not write in other colors because I'll just use one. 3x equal 210. X equal 210. That
Great.
means x equal 70. Because 3 and 21,
Miss, how it comes 70?
210 divided by, you can go with the normal division. If you don't understand 3 times 1 and 3 times 7, and there is a 0, go with the normal division, Yumateen, like this. Go with
Yeah.
the 21 and 3. It goes with 7 and there is a 0, 70. From question 3, I will be solving inshallah on Sunday. Have a nice day. See you in the science class at the end. Okay?
Okay, Miss. Have a nice
Ralia, I have to ask you again and again because I am new to you. So, do you understand how I teach? Is she there? Yes, Ghalia?
Yes.
Do you understand?
Okay. Okay.
All right. Take care. Have a nice day.